In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Twitch ads in Brave browser. If you watch streams regularly on Twitch, constant advertisements and tracking scripts can sometimes interrupt the viewing experience. Fortunately, Brave browser already comes with powerful privacy and ad blocking tools built in, and with a few adjustments, you can make those protections even stronger. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the settings that help reduce Twitch ads, improve privacy, and create a cleaner browsing experience while using Brave browser. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once Brave is open, move your cursor toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open the main browser menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main configuration page where you can customize privacy settings, browser behavior, and built-in protection features. After entering the settings page, look toward the left-hand sidebar and click on Shields. The Shields section is Brave's built-in security and privacy system that blocks intrusive advertisements, tracking scripts, and other unwanted content while you browse websites. Inside the Shields settings, locate the option labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Beside this option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Aggressive. This mode increases Brave's blocking strength and helps filter out additional scripts and advertising networks that may not be blocked under the standard setting. Aggressive mode can also help web pages feel cleaner and sometimes improve browsing performance by preventing unnecessary content from loading. However, keep in mind that some websites may rely on certain scripts to function properly. If you ever notice a website behaving incorrectly, you can always lower the protection level for that specific site later using the Shields icon near the address bar. Next, scroll further down until you find the Content Filtering section. This area allows Brave to use additional filtering lists for more advanced content blocking. Expand the available list so you can view all filter options. Within the list, make sure the option called Brave Twitch Ad Block Rules is enabled. This filter is specifically designed to improve ad blocking behavior on Twitch streams and reduce interruptions while watching live content. Right below that, also enable Brave Experimental Ad Block Rules. These experimental filters provide access to newer blocking techniques and updated filtering methods that can improve results on websites with more advanced advertising systems. The good news is that these changes apply immediately after enabling them, so there's no need to restart your browser. To fully apply the new filtering rules, simply refresh any Twitch tabs that are currently open. And that's it. You've successfully configured Brave browser to block Twitch ads more aggressively while improving your overall privacy and browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.